The tool that I have reviewed is Quizizz, and in order to use Quizizz, which is free for my high school students, I had to create an account using my Google account, and you'll see my profile down here. And this is for my high school students in college orientation. I'm going to use this as kind of a pre and post test of vocabulary that we'll be learning throughout the semester. And it can be designed a couple of different ways. You can use it as a quiz. You can assign it as homework, so you can create a due date, or leave it open-ended and assign it to a class, which will collaborate it with Google Classroom. You can also use the quiz format to start a live quiz. The quiz can be done in a classic mode where everybody goes at their own pace, or instructor mode. For the first week of school, I'll be using this in instructor mode to go through this as kind of a pre-test to be able to hear some vocalization from the students. And then I anticipate using it later in the semester as assigned homework to kind of do a post-test on the words. So in order to get started with this tool, you'll go to Create, choose Quiz, which I have done here, and then you will begin entering questions. With the questions, you can choose multiple choice, check boxes, fill in the blank, multiple things. So I chose multiple choice question. I entered my question, what is the difference between a public and private college or university? These are the choices, and then you'll also mark the correct answer. This is an example of checkbox. So you can choose more than one answer, and you can continue through the process. One of the things I like about this tool is it is completely free. There are upgrades, but the upgrades are not necessary for what I have used it for. I found access to most of the tools. The ITSE standards that I would be using in this is developing an assessment tool that can provide personalized, actionable review of student progress. So I'll be able to track the students' pre and post test. Also, this is something that has the resources that are sufficient and scalable to meet the need. I can add as many questions as I need to this tool. I can also scale it back if I'm just using it as a brief tool. And then also the TPAC of integrating emerging digital tools to present information. So this is a great way for me to begin to introduce vocabulary and then have access to the results very quickly.